To get the perfect EUROFLO ring installation, here's what we reckon's best. Start with the rubber and tools. Lay pipe so the end is accessible. Put the rubber over the top quarter of the first groove with the lip facing the end of the pipe. Next, insert a lever on one side. Here's the first lever. Then the second lever, like this. And push the rubber down using the third lever and continue the process, moving around the pipe until the rubber is in the final position. Check out the rubber-seated wall with rubber lip closest to the end of the pipe.